Are you planning a trip to the Lion City? I prepared 7 tips you need to know to survive Singapore. Welcome to LexGo, where I share all my travel learnings so you could be wiser in your trip planning. If it's your first time in LexGo, consider subscribing. And now, here are my 7 tips for those visiting Singapore for the first time. Singapore is an expensive place. It's a very small country, yet it's filled with millionaires. So prepare your wallet for a trip it won't forget. English is everywhere. Unlike most Asian cities, you will never find it difficult to communicate with locals. Basic traveler's English will get you everywhere in this vibrant city-state. Data is a necessity for travelers. Upon arrival, you can get a SIM card at the airport. The metro system of Singapore spans most of the city-state. You won't probably need other transport system, as the MRT could bring you anywhere, even from the airport to your hotel. When on the escalator, stand on the left. I repeat, stand on the left. If you find these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. And now for tip number 6. If the heat of the day becomes too much to bear, you'll be happy to know that the city is interconnected with walking tunnels. You can go from one destination to another without a sweat. Crime rate is very low in the city-state. One of the main reasons for that is because there's security camera all over the country. So don't chew a gum and don't ever litter. That's illegal in Singapore, and fines are very expensive. Singapore is a very convenient place for visitors, as long as you can afford it and you can play by the rules. I wish you the best in your trip planning to Singapore. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to LexGo.